were sparks in a dead-end town, matchstick dreams burning it down. Broke but loud, wild and free. Every wrong turn we had to make. We were ghosts chasing names up in lights, chasing dreams through the longest nights. Through every scar we tried to hide, turn pain into fuel just to stay alive. If you're still standing next to me after all the damage we couldn't unsee, here's to the wildfire hearts, gasoline souls, ready to ignite the world. Hands up high, screaming loud, we didn't quit, we never bowed. Here's to the nights that saved our lives, every broken road, every drunken fight. If you're still here, if you survive, this one's for me, this one's for you. Here's to us, here's to us. Here's to the ones who fell and still believe, to the scars you wear like memories, all the dreams you swore you'd never lose. Yeah, tonight we're raising a toast to you. If you ever felt alone out there, if this song's the reason you're still here, here's to the wildfire hearts, gasoline souls, ready to ignite the world. Hands up high, screaming loud, we didn't quit, we never bowed. Here's to the nights that saved our lives, every broken road, every drunken fight. If you're still here, you survived, this one's for me, this one's for you. Whoa, let me hear you say, we're still alive. Say it louder, say it like you barely survived. Here's to wildfire, gasoline souls. Here's to wildfire. We're still standing here right now, till the night that just might have saved our lives. Every broken road, every drunken fight. If you're still here and you survive, this one's for me, this one's for you. Wildfire, gasoline souls. Wildfire hearts, gasoline souls. Wildfire hearts. Wildfires. We were sparks in a dead-end town.